Hey guys, it's Old Man Wags here with Atlantic Pressure Washer, showing you one of our latest installs. What we did with this specific install is catered it again to our contractor's needs. In this case, our contractor works a lot in the dark, so his number one request was, what can you do to bring some light to the job site? Well, let's flip everything on and see if we delivered. As you can see, these lights are pretty blinding. We'll flip around to our job site. You can see the difference between the lights on and the lights off. Think about what this brings to the table from a safety perspective. Your guys can now see what they're doing. They're not tripping over hazards. You're already working with water. Everything's a slip hazard. What if you can see everything? What if you don't have to trip over the hoses? What if you're on a job site with a dozen different workers and they can all see each other? What if you can see your tools and you're completely illuminated by the fact that basically you've got all these lights and now everybody can see you? More importantly, you can see anybody that's walking up to your truck. We also want to step further and install one of these tank lights. What's its purpose? Yeah, it looks cool, but it serves an actual purpose beyond that. You can definitively see the water level in here in the dark. Daytime, that's not as big of a deal because you can glance over and see a shadow. At the nighttime, when it basically comes to seeing what's in your tank, you got to walk up and sometimes go like this against the tank wall because you just can't see anything. Well, when you're 300 feet away, as the working lines will reveal, basically at a quick glance, you can look over and you can see, I've got 3/4 of a tank full of water. I've got half a tank full of water. I'm completely empty, depending on where that shadow lies with the light itself. Additionally, that blue really makes you stand out if you're basically, again, working on a job site with a dozen different types of contractors, and it really makes you pop as a professional. We did all this with safety in mind for our contractor. We again hope we tailored it to his specific needs. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the water on. Hey guys, it's Old Man Wags here with Dirk Killer Pressure. Nope, scratch that. And see if we delivered.